香港龍窯關注組緣起啦，就係因為香港有一條唯一嘅龍窯，咁政府當時有一啲嘅發展計劃，會影響到呢條窯嘅存活啦。原來香港有一條窯，仲係唯一一條用得嘅窯。我哋真係收到好多嘅 request 話想嚟參觀一下，將我哋香港嘅一段歷史好好咁保留落嚟。呢一條窯咧，你越燒得多咧，嗰個結構咧係越穩陣。1300度啊，好高嘅溫度。柴前火塘投完之後咧，慢慢咧要延伸，即係將個熱力拉上去啊。所以喺個窯嘅頂咧，其實上邊係有5個窿，都係可以愛嚟投柴嘅。慢慢將佢一層一層咁樣燒上去咯。
好熱㗎，初初我細個咧，咁所以嗰陣時我搭咗張凳，但係呢張凳而家都霉晒啦。嗰陣時呢張凳度就價格啦，都係熱㗎啦，但係冇咁淡啦。
早期咧，龍窯係燒陶製嘅水管，咁有一啲咧叫燒壞牙啊嘛，燒完可能彎咗啊、裂咗啊，當時就好慳嘅，就唔會抌嘅。有一啲花盆同埋水渠咧，你就見到喺度砌咗個後邊嗰個窯壁咯。佢個作用係結構加強之餘，亦都係防嗰個熱啦。
It's fascinating to see the dragon kiln itself. It's like a living thing. It's so interesting. It's another aspect of the beauty because they're all individual. They're not mass produced. They're not exactly the same. It's very interesting to see all the different glazes and the way that, as Mr. Leung explained, you never know how it's going to turn out. Sometimes it's a happy experiment and sometimes not, perhaps.
知道呢個龍窯好耐，不過一直冇機會可以入得到嚟參觀得到咁樣咯，好震撼嘅。因為我自己本身都影過香港唔少嘅窯嘅，保存得好好啊！呢條龍窯係全香港唯一一條，好緊要，同埋仲係有人管理嘅窯。當然咁啊，要影多啲啦。生活啊 ，operation 仲做緊，例如佢有啲好多朋友會嚟做油啊嗰啲啦，即係仲有啲 activity 喺度啊。咁所以呢一個係一個好好嘅亮點咧，即係香港人係要知道咯。正正就係呢啲地方仲有人參與，嗰個人係喺度大嘅喎。咁啊更加要保留呢啲地方，因為呢啲香港所謂嘅遺產。
開始嘅時候，其實先參觀咗顯發村裏邊同龍窯本身有個關係啊。咁我會覺得好好嘅就係都可以繼續翻有呢個 story 喺度。有啲嘢係要保留，但係亦都要與時並進。今次呢個 visit 裏邊咧，我係感受到。
嗱，我哋右手邊咧就係龍窯啦。
義工我哋做咩咧？我覺得嗱，頭先我睇咗咧，我哋第一個 project 如果可以係執好啲樹葉、整乾淨啲地方咧，係第一件事咧。其實已經爭咗好遠。你有咗空間，你就會知道點樣去再將呢個 living museum 去活化啦。
咁我哋都需要好多公眾嘅支持，包括有時我哋可能要招募義工啊等等。其實龍窯關注組咧有我哋嘅 IG 啦，亦都有 Facebook 啦。咁所以喺上邊咧，我哋會將我哋嘅活動消息擺喺上邊嘅。